Okay, hello students. Today in chemistry, in chapter number 4, that is structure of atom, we discuss valency and electronic configuration. Electronic configuration, we have already discussed that electrons are arranged in various cells K, L, M, N, and from that distribution we find the valency. Okay, so valency is directly proportional to number of unpaired electron in the outermost orbital. Orbital means cell. Okay, number of unpaired electron, it can remove or add. From that we can find the valency. Here simple valency is given, but some valency are positive and some valency is negative. So two type of valencies. If no electron give and take place, then its valency is 0. So one by one we discuss the element, its symbol, its name, okay, up to 1 to 18. First number, element number 1. Element number 1, its name is hydrogen. Symbol is capital H. In symbol, all atoms or elements having symbol, first letter is capital and second letter is small. So if only one letter is there, then you have to write capital. So hydrogen, then it is H. Similarly number 2, that is helium. Okay, its symbol is He. So first capital letter and second small. Element number is directly proportional to its proton number. Number of proton, that is its element number or atomic number. Element number means what? Atomic number also you can take. So same as electron, atom is electrically neutral. So number of proton is equal to number of electron. So I am writing 1. Helium, it is 2. Again, in K series or K cell, maximum 2 electron you can fill. In L cell, maximum 8 electron you can fill. And in M cell, maximum 18 electron you can fill. Okay, 2, 8, 18 and 32 N cell. So maximum electron fill in the outermost orbit is in the K element cell. Its formula is 2n square. So remember this, 2n square. 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards. Okay. So here 1 electron is there. So in K cell you have to write 1. Now in an atom, if there is only 1 electron, then that atoms donate 1 electron or take 1 electron. Okay. So its valency is 1. There is no electron in K elements. Okay, Lmn, no electron. Only in K cell, 1 electron is there. Maximum 2 electron can be filled, but this. Similarly, helium, symbol is He. Number of proton and electron is same as that of atomic number. So it is 2. So here 2 electron is there. Again, here in this cell, in this orbital, it is circular shape. 1 electron is there. In each circle, maximum 2 electron can be filled. If this 2 electron completely filled, then that atom is what? Complete its octane. Okay, complete its circle. Then no electron donate or taken by this atom. So helium octane is complete, or that orbital is completely paired, or pair electron is there. That's why it does not give electron and take electron. That's why its valency is 0. Okay, remember. Number 3, that is lithium. Lithium symbol is Li. I am writing the name of elements one by one, then we discuss about its electronic. Number 4, that is beryllium. Beryllium symbol is Be. This number remains the same. Number 5, then it is boron. Symbol is B. Number 6, okay, that is carbon. Capital C. Number of proton, electron is this. Number 7, that is oxygen. Symbol is O. oxygen number is 7, that is I think it is wrong. Okay, here number 7, then it is oxygen number is 8, so number 7 is nitrogen. Nitrogen symbol N and this 7 number. 8 number is oxygen. Oxygen symbol is O, proton is 8. Number 9, that is fluorine. Fluorine symbol is F. Okay, halogen it is known as. And number 9. And number 10, again in second cell 8 electron complete. So this 10, 2 and 8, 10. Then it is neon number. So neon octane is complete. Neon octane is complete. Symbol is Ni, number is 10. Okay, neon, that is number 10. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Up to 18 you have to learn by hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. This 11 to 18, then it is sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. Okay, sodium symbol is L. Sorry, sodium symbol that is Na. Magnesium Mg. Two type is there. This is magnesium, other is manganese, Mn. 13 number aluminium. Okay, Al. First letter capital and second letter small. This sodium, then it is proton, electron 11. This is 12. This is 13. Silicon. 14 number, that is silicon. Silicon is semiconductor. Si. 15 number phosphorus. Symbol is P. 16 number sulfur. Symbol S. 17 number halogen, that is chlorine. Symbol is capital C and small l. 17. And argon. Argon gas, inert gas is there. Symbol is Ar and 18. First zero valency. Here it is 2, so it is 0. Similar 2 plus 8, 10. So 10 number is neon. In that neon, electron occupied in KCl is 2 and L cell it is 8. M and N it is 0. So it is already complete its all cell. So no electron gain. So its valence is 0. Similarly argon number is 18. So 2, 8, 18 number. So in M cell also 8 number. So its valency is all 0. Why? Because octane is complete. Okay, octane is complete, then its valency is 0. Again one by one we write the electrons in valency in different cells. Number 3. So first you fill this 2, then 1. 1 electron is extra, so its valency is 1. Similarly beryllium 2 and 2 electron. So its valency is 2 extra electron. So 2 valency. Similarly boron. Okay, boron number is 5. So here I am writing 2 and this in L cell 3 electron. So its valency, you have to see the outermost orbit. So its valency is 3. Similarly carbon number 6. So it is 2, 4. So its valency is 4. Similarly nitrogen, then it is 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Now in this L cell total number of suborbital is 2. 2 suborbitals are there. So maximum valency is 5, but it has a valency 3 also. So you remember nitrogen has 2 valency 3 and 5. You remember this. odd number, if it is 5, then 3 valency is also there. Okay, 3 and 5, remember this. Next, oxygen, then 8 number. So it is 2 is already filled, 2 and 6, 8. So this oxygen has a valency 2. Why? Because 2 unpaired electron is there. Now it tries to come near to complete its oxygen. So its valency is decreases. Okay? And 2 electron now it takes from the other orbital or other. So here mostly instead of valency, this all is in plus state. Now it is coming in minus 2. Fluorine 2 and 7. So 1 electron to complete the octane. So its valency is minus 1. Remember, plus and minus. This all is plus, this is minus. Similarly, neon 2 and 8. Octane complete, so it is 0. Similarly, sodium 2, 8. So total 10 and 1. Similarly, magnesium 13, 2, 8, 2. 2, 8, aluminium 3. Silicon 2, 8, 4. Okay, 2, 8, 5. Similarly, here also valency 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 5 comes, then 2 type of valency, 3 and 5. Remember this. Similarly, sulfur. Okay, sulfur 2, 8 and 16 number. So it is 6. So its valency now again it try to complete its octane. 2 electron is less. 2, 8. So its valency is, remember this, 6 number. So its valency is 2. But now it is what? Minus 2. Remember. 2, 8, 7. 1 electron less to complete the octane. So it takes 1 electron. So it is minus 1. So it is 0. So when electron filling is start, then its valency is positive. In the middle covalent bond is there. And again when it try to complete the octane, valency comes in negative. Okay, then 0. Again increases covalent character, not ion character. And then again it tries to take electron. So valency is negative. And again 18 all electron are completely paired or octane is complete. Then its valency is 0. This thing you can show in the diagram also. Okay, suppose we take 3 examples. 3rd number, 8 number and 16 number. So suppose 3rd number, lithium. Then how you can fill? Number is 3. Its configuration is 2 and 1. Suppose it is the nucleus. Outside nuclear first line, that is of K cell. In K cell 2 electrons. So you write 2 electrons. Okay, and 1 electron in second cell, that is L cell. So in second circle only 1 electron you have to fill. Okay, I am filling 1 electron. So it is 2 and 1. So that's why this electron donates and in valency is plus 1, lithium. Similarly, oxygen. Oxygen symbol is O. Its number is 8. This number is 3. So first I am drawing the nucleus. In that first circle, okay, that is K cell. 2 electron is there, 1 and 2. Okay, and then 6 electron is there. Okay, total 6 electron. How to fill this 6 electron? So again I am drawing the circle. That is second cell, which cell? K cell. In that total 8 electron you can fill, but 6 electron is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 electron is I have filled, but 2 electron is unpaired or unfilled. So that's why its valency is oxygen. That's why valency is minus 2. So 2 electron is less. So it takes this electron from other atom, and this oxygen is converted to minus 2 state. So that's why its valency is 2. Electron donate, that is his valency. Electron taken, that is his valency. If no electron donate and taken, then that atom is inert. As for example, argon 0 valency, neon 0 valency and helium 0 valency. So try to draw this electronic configuration or orbital configuration and try to draw this table, okay, 4.1 given in your book. With valency, this cell, proton, neutron. If neutron is there, then proton plus neutron, that is equal to its atomic mass. Okay, atomic mass A and atomic number Z. This is Z number, atomic number, element number, that is Z, and proton plus neutron, that is equal to what? Atomic mass A. Okay, try to draw this in your notebook. Okay, thank you.